Class 12, let us continue the chapter. Already we have started the exercise. Exercise 3A we are doing. Okay, sum number 3 done. Next exercise 3A, sum number 10. Okay, now y is equals to log of log x. Log x. Okay, so let u is equal to log x. Okay, let u equals to log x. That means this part we have taken as u. So what we will write, therefore y is equals to log u. Okay, therefore dy dx will be log x. Say this is x, so 1 by log u. By chain rule again we are doing 1 by log u into again 1 by u. 1 by log u into du log u means 1 by u. So this is coming 1 by u log u. Okay, u log u, therefore, and from here we can write, say, u equals to log x, so du dx is equals to 1 by x. Okay, therefore from here also we can do, or we can write, so therefore dy dx is equals to dy du into du dx. This also we can do. Dy du, this is dy du, not, yes, dy du means this. So dy du into du dx. So dy du equals to 1 by u log u. Already we have got. So 1 by u log u. Make it correct. 1 by u log u into du dx means 1 by x. So write here 1 by x. Okay, therefore dy dx is equals to how much? Dy dx will be 1 by x is there. U means log x. So it is coming x log x. X log x. U means log x. So x log x. And then log u. That means log of u means log x. So log of log x. This is written. So this will be the answer. Okay. Now next sum. This sum is done on chain rules. Already I said this is done on chain rule. Next we will do few sums on implicit function. One or two sums only we can do, because many methods, many different types of functions are there, and then we have to start 4 marks questions also. Okay, so next is on implicit functions. Say equation is implicit functions. Now I think it is clear to you, when the equation will be written in x and y mixed. When equation will be written in x and y mixed, then this type of equations is known as implicit functions. Equation here, that means the function here, function is written in terms of x and y both. Then it is, that means dependent and independent variable will be written in one function or in one equation. Okay, now differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get what we will write. ddx of x square means 2x, and ddx of xy, this is the product form we know. So x dy dx plus y dx. ddx of x means y, no need to write, plus 2y divided, as it is y square, we know ddx of x square means 2x. Here it is y square. Again we are applying the chain rule. So ddx of y square will be 2y into dy dx. 2y into dy dx is equal to 0. That is the constant term. Okay. Therefore, x dy dx plus 2y dy dx is equals to minus 2x minus y. Done. Therefore, dy dx, take common, we will get x plus 2y is equal to minus, take common, x plus y. Therefore, dy dx will be So dy dx equals to minus 2x, minus of 2x plus y whole divided by x plus 2y. Okay. Now the next sum. Next is again one implicit functions showing part 17 part 2 done. Now this is 17 part 6. Question is x equals to y log xy. Okay. Therefore y log xy is equals to x. Y log xy is equals to x. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get what we will write. Since this is y into this, so this is the product form, so we can write y into d dx of log xy plus log xy. We are following the product rule. Log xy into dy dx, this part, is equal to d dx of x is 1. So write here 1. Okay. Now y into d dx of log x. So again we will apply the chain rule here. So 1 by d dx of log x is 1 by x. So it is 1 by xy. Okay. And then again d dx of log x means 1 by xy, and xy we will write that is x dy dx plus y. Okay. Plus log xy into dy dx is equals to 1. Okay. Now y will be cancelled from both the sides. Then we will get, and first x will be also cancelled. So we will get only dy dx plus y by x. Dy dx plus y by x plus log xy dy dx is equal to 1. Okay. Now take common dy dx. This term is here and here also it is there. So just take common dy dx. What we will get? 1 plus log xy is equal to 1 minus y by x. Okay. So it is coming y minus and this means x minus y by x. Okay. And therefore, okay, so log xy means x by y. From here we can write log xy is equal to x by y. See this one, log xy equals to x by y. So here instead of log xy we will write 1 plus x by y. Clear? So we will write dy dx into 1 plus x by y set. X by y is equal to x minus y by x. Okay. Now just do the calculation part. So dy dx will be, it will be x plus y whole divided by y. So at last we will get y into x minus y by x into x plus y. This will be the answer. Do this calculation part. Okay. Next sum. Next is on parametric functions. On parametric functions. Let me write the question. Sum number 18. Now we are doing 2 marks questions. Okay, I've forgotten to write. We are doing 2 marks questions. Check from your book. And now x equal to, question is x equal to a cos theta by 2 and y is equal to b sin theta by 2. Here theta is the parameter. We have to find dy dx. One equation is written x and theta, another equation is written y and theta. Okay, so we will follow the parametric formation. That means at first we have to find dx d theta from this equation, then from this equation we will find dy d theta. Okay, then we will find out dy dx. Okay, so let us find dx d theta. Dx d theta. Dx d theta will be a into minus half, as it is theta by 2, minus half sine theta by 2. Okay, and from here we can find dy d theta is equals to dy d theta means dy d theta b into sine theta, that is b into 1 by 2 into cos theta by 2. Got it? Therefore dy dx equals to what? Dy dx means dy d theta into d theta dx. Dy d theta means what? B by 2 cos theta by 2 and into d theta dx means this. Dx d theta is this. So d theta dx will be minus 2 by a sine theta by 2, because this is the denominator. So it will be minus 2 by a sine theta by 2. Got it? So these two will be cancelled and we will get minus b by a cos theta by 2 by sine theta by 2 means cot theta by 2. This is the answer. Dy dx is this. Now I'm explaining all the sums, but afterwards when we will sit for that, just follow this video and try to do all the sums on your own again. Okay, so if you forget anything, if there is any problem, then again you can go to the video, but after this video you will just stop everything and you will say, ma'am, everything is done, don't do this. Okay, don't do that. Then you cannot do the next sum, you cannot do the next sum, means next chapter differentiation for the second order. Then it will be difficult for you if you don't practice this one. Okay, coming with new video, next sums.